These are the residents of Kado Kuchi, an indigenous community in the Federal Capital Territory, gathered at the Hakimi's Palace, a community that is closest to the Central Business District area in the FCT. The residents here say that they lack basic amenities.
All I
can say about this road now is to call on Executive Chairman of Abuja Municipal Council to please come for our help so that this road can be done, so that this road should not be used as political weapon. Let him see what he can do about this road. Please let him fulfill his promise.
It is the singular road that leads to this community, and the present state of the road here, residents say, is credit to the youths, as it is not motorable even before the repair was done by the youths.
Every year they'll come to tell us they'll do this road, but see how bad the road is, and they're yet to do it.
However, the councillor under Goren Power, Honorable Danlami, promised that there will be quick response by the Abuja Municipal Area Council.
Sincerely speaking, I can assure you, soon the work will start, but I will not say today or tomorrow, but soon.
Gabriel Zakari, ITV News.